Good morning, children. I am your maths teacher for class 2. Standard 2 Maths. Today we are going to see Unit 5 Time. Unit 5 Time. Okay. See page number 57. Unit 5 Time. Order the activities as 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9 from morning to night. Order the activities as 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9 from morning to evening. Children, see the pictures. This is our daily routine, isn't it? So you order to write the number. Okay, you order to write the number morning to night. First picture. Wake up early in the morning, isn't it? Second one, brush your teeth. Okay. Third one, bathing. Like that you have to write the order wise. Okay. Write the number in order wise. Okay. Next, this lesson we will reading about days of the week, months of the year and seasons. What are that? Days of the week, months of the year and season. Okay. First, 5.1 days of the week. First, we are going to see about the days of the week. 5.1 days of the week. Okay. Children, you all know the days of the week? Okay, tell me, how many days in a week? Yes, 7 days in a week. There are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now read the spelling. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday. Monday, Monday. Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. Friday, Friday. Friday. And Saturday, Saturday. Saturday. Okay. Children, we have learned the days of the week, right? See the picture, see the page number 58, 5.1 days of the week. Okay, now we will see some question. What is the fourth day of the week? See the picture and say the answer. What is the fourth day of the week? Yes, fourth day of the week is Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Next one. What is the seventh day of the week? What is the seventh day of the week? Yes, the seventh day of the week is Saturday. Okay. Next, which day comes after Thursday? Which day comes after Thursday? See the picture and say the answer. Yes, Friday. Okay. Next one, fourth one, which day comes before Wednesday? Which day comes before Wednesday? Yes, Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. And last one, how many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? Yes, 7 days. Okay, 7 days. Next. Children, you have learned about the days in a week. Okay, one example is given for your timetable. See the timetable, page number 59. timetable of class 2. Okay, this is timetable: day, period, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, look at this timetable. After seeing this timetable, you want to answer the question given below. Okay, observe and fill in the table. Okay, see the tabular column, period. Next column is conducted on which day. Conducted on which day? First one, art and craft. Art and craft. Now you can say when is the art and craft period? See the timetable. Come to know art and craft period is on which day? Yes, Tuesday. Conducting on which period? Which day? Tuesday. Okay. Next, drama. Say, when is the drama period? Look at the timetable. The drama period is conducted on Wednesday. The drama period is conducted on which day? Wednesday. Okay. Next, computer. When is the computer period? Children, see the timetable and say the correct answer. Yes, the computer period is conducted on Thursday. Isn't it? Next, singing. When is, when is the singing period? The singing period is conducted on Monday. Okay. Next, last one, yoga. Yoga. When is the yoga period? See the tabular column and say the correct answer. Yes. The conducted on which day? Friday. Yoga period is conducted on Friday. Okay. You write the answer. Okay. Next, 5.2 months of the year. 5.2 months of the year. Now we will see the months of the year. Okay. Children, you know how many months of the year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. Okay, there are 12 months in a year here. Okay, there are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, now we will read the spelling. Okay, January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. And December, December, December. Okay, children, read this month. Next, see the picture. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, there are how many months? 12 months in a year. Okay, January is the first month of a year and December is the last month of a year. Okay, January is the first month and December is the last month in a year. Okay, January first is the first day in a year. Yes, January 1st is the first day in a year. Okay, there are 7 months with 31 days. Okay, there are 7 months with 31 days and 4 months with 30 days. 4 months having 30 days. Okay. Next, February month has either 28 or 29 days. Okay. February month has either 28 or 29 days. Okay. In this year, this is called leap year. 29 days is called leap year. Okay. Next, children, you can remember the months of a year by using your knuckles. Okay, fix the name of the month in each knuckle as shown in the figure. Okay, the months represented by each knuckle as 31 days and the spaces in between have 30 days. But February has either 28 or 29 days. Okay, children, now see the next page. Observe the calendar given in the previous page and write the number of days in each month. Okay, January having 31 days. Okay, and February 28 or 29. Sorry, 31 days. And April 30. May 31. June 30. July 31. August also 31. September 30. October 31. November 30 and December 31. Okay. Children, you observe the calendar at your home and write the number of days in empty circle. Okay. After writing, we come to know January, March, May, January, March, May, July, August, October, December having 31 days, and April, June, September, November having 30 days. Okay. Practice. Write the names of the months in order in the following table. You have to write the months. You have to write the months in order. Okay, January, February, like that. You have to write in 12 months. Okay. Next, now let's see the important days. Celebrate on which month. Okay. See the match the following festival month. Okay. Republic Day. When do we celebrate the Republic Day? The celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. 26th January. Okay. Independence Day. Yes. Children, do you know which month we will celebrate our Independence Day? Yes. The Independence Day celebrate is August 15. Okay. Teachers Day. Teachers Day is September 5. Okay. September month. Children's Day November month. November 14. Okay. November 14. Next 5.3 seasons. 5.3 seasons. Okay. What are the seasons? Summer, rainy and winter. 3 seasons. What are that? Summer, rainy and winter. Okay, see summer months. We have the summer season on the months of March, April, May, June. Summer months. What are the months? March, April, May, June. These months are called summer months. Okay, summer months. Next, rainy season. On the months of July, August, September, October. July, August, September, October. These months are called rainy months. Okay. And last is winter season. On the winter season, on the month of November, December, January, February. November, December, January, February. These months are called winter months. Okay, winter months. Children, we have learnt about the season. Now you can choose which food is suitable for the season. Okay, page number 64. Tick the suitable food items we eat in the seasons given. Okay, first column is season and second column is food items. Okay, in season, first one is summer season. Summer season. How the summer day will be? Yes, the summer day will be very hot. So, what food we have to choose? Ice or hot? Yes, you want to eat the ice apple. Okay, ice apple is suitable for summer season. Okay, next, see the picture. Second one is rainy day. Okay, rainy season. Food item is soup and tender coconut, isn't it? Tender coconut and soup. Okay, see that the season is rainy, so you choose the food hot one or cool one, right? So you want to eat hot. Okay, hot soup that is suitable for rainy season. Okay, next, that is winter season. How the winter season will be? Yes, it will be very cold. It will be very cold. So, what type of food do you prefer to eat? Yes, palmierus fruit. Watermelon or palmierus fruit? Yes, that second one. Okay, palmierus fruit. That is suitable for which season? Winter season. Okay, next, color the months according to their season. Okay, color the months according to their seasons. Okay, use green for winter. Okay, use green for winter, yellow for summer, yellow for summer season, green for winter season, and blue for rainy season, and blue for rainy season. Okay, see the previous pages and color it properly and correctly. Okay, do this activity. Okay, ma'am, that's all today. Hope you understood. Do this activity properly. Okay, ma'am, thank you.